In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful method on how to download and install Google Chat in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first things first, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, navigate to the option called Open to continue, and in a few moments, you would be able to open up a window which is your Google Chrome browser. So if two windows are appearing, close the other window so that we can focus on this one. So from here, all you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set already here, okay, before we proceed. So once everything are set, please navigate to the upper right side of it. You can see an icon like this which contains the Google Apps. So eventually you would be able to open up this window where here you need to locate for chat which is next to Meet. So click on it and eventually you would be redirected to the Google Chat. You just have to wait until you would be able to set this ready. So we are now being redirected to the Google Chat. So in a few moments you would be able to see this kind of window where you can start a chat, browse spaces, and explore apps. So in order to download and install it in our Windows, all you need to do is you need to navigate at the upper right side of that. You can see the three dots. Scroll down and locate your cursor to cast, save, and share. The moment you do it, you would be able to bring up this kind of window. Please proceed to install page as application. So it will ask you to confirm your action, go with install, and wait until it will be successfully installed here in our Windows. So if a new window is appearing, meaning we have successfully installed it, you can now close the window and there you have successfully installed the Google Chat in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. You have successfully created a shortcut as well in your desktop. And if you will navigate at the bottom search bar and type for chat, now you can see that it is under the best matched in apps. And if you would also visit it into the settings under the list of applications, you can also see the Google Chat aligning there. So our machine asks us if we would like to pin it into the taskbar. You can simply click on yes to continue, or you can simply decline the offer by clicking on no thanks. So using this Google Chat is very important, especially if we would like to send a message to our colleague or a friend, or if we would like to collaborate on projects with teams or groups, or even if we would like to explore apps, then this tool is very good for us. So just have to sign in your account and you're good to go. So that's it. Close the window. And if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.